Moving on, weird is good, and anyone who disagrees with me can go and eat their own shoe, which would be weird, and therefore good. The finalists for the Weird Shorty Award are a collection of really weird people and characters from all over. They make life more fun, and not to sound like a cliche, but I would like to party with all of them. The Shorty Award for Weird goes to Buckwolf.
Thank you very much. When the going gets weird, the weird turn pro. Thanks, Ariana, Claudine, my wife, Mom and Dad, the HuffPost Weird News team, and Florida, the weirdest state of all.